Now, sometimes when you have a drawer that's sticking, like I have done before, you can use like, hey guys, I am on a mission here. Now, my husband and I just spent, I don't know, maybe an hour trying to get this drawer out of my desk because it got stuck. We had to hammer and pull and crowbar, and I couldn't believe this little thing was so stuck that it could not come out. And while we were trying to get it out, we were knocking. So the dovetail here joint, they were coming apart. And so now what I am doing is try to shave down the top part. And I'm using our little shaver here that we picked up at a garage sale. And what I'm finding is when I'm trying to shave here, it's getting stuck on this and it's not going all the way. So I figure since this was coming off anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna knock this off so I can shave it properly, right? So what I'm gonna do now is shave it, and then before I put this back on, I'm also gonna shave the top here. Where is the top? This is the top. I'm gonna shave the top here too, because I don't want it to get stuck either. And before I put this back on, I'm just gonna take this inside and try to stick it in the space to see if it will go through. So yeah, I started shaving. So I started shaving actually, and when I went in there, it was still too tight. That means you can imagine how hard it was to get it out of that space. So yeah, let's do that. Now, sometimes when you have a drawer that's sticking, like I have done before, you can use like wax. I use like a candle and basically just wax the top part here. And if you can wax under the track or on the track where it's sliding, you can do that too. I wouldn't do oil because it's wood and oil is going to get absorbed into the wood, and then you're going to create a mess and it's not really going to help. So yeah, this was too tight to use candle, and so this is what we're doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish shaving, and I'm gonna take it inside and fit it before I put it back together. So I'm shaving this way, and I'm gonna shave over here too. This is one of the reasons why I like to visit garage sales. And when you're a DIY person like I am, when you see things like these, you pick them up because you know you're going to find use for them. This is really the first time I'm using it. Feel like I've gotten quite a bit off this end. And so I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to shave this end. back here was a problem. However, I'm gonna see if I can get any off. Okay, so now let's take it inside. And no, this is not my workshop. This is a dilapidated building that I just finished emptying because we are going to move it from here. And we're going to use a frame to do a greenhouse for me. Yeah, just thought I'd say that. Let's go on inside and try to see if I have shaved off enough for it to fit smoothly. Now I'm wondering if maybe I should try shaving the bottom here where it sits. I may do that too, but no, it's the other way around. Let's try to see if this... Ooh, yeah, that's what's supposed to happen. It's not supposed to be so tight. So, wow. We did it, guys. We did it. And this one too. No, the sides don't stick, right? But the top here does stick. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to just run outside and get the shaver. And I'm just going to shave some off this right now. Let's do that. To think, I almost gave up on my shaver. I'm going to use my husband's old shirt to catch the shavings. Yeah, I almost gave up on my shaver, but all I had to do was to adjust the blade. Yeah, it's a good one. It feels good that I can help myself this way. DIY. Most of the shaving actually is falling out on the ground, which is a good thing. I grew up seeing my dada using a shaver like this. Oh no, it still needs to be shaved and more. Yeah, it needs some more off. The last thing I want is for it to get stuck. This one was a chore to get out. You can know it's a very old desk because of the dovetail joints. Most furniture they make nowadays, they hardly make them with good wood, much more dovetail joint, right? Oh, let's go the other way. We all have drawers. If we don't have a desk, we do have drawers in our bathroom, our bedroom, our kitchen, our laundry room. So it's good for us to be able to have solutions, right? Yeah, it's still very, it's still very tight. Wow. Yep. lot of wood I've shaven off. I prefer this way better than sanding, but you could also sand it down. And you don't have to have an electric sander. You could use sandpaper, but bear in mind, it's going to take way longer for you to get it done. It's getting better. It is getting better. Like it is right now, that's when I would take the chance to use wax. So I use my candle and just rub it on it. But because I'm shaving it, I'm just going to go ahead and shave it so it is as loose as the one above here. And then when we're done this, we're going to go outside and finish this. Oh, let's pull your coat. Ooh. Sorry about the noise. Okay, let's try it again. We got a little bit in here, but we can always use a vacuum and suck this out. Yeah, I just didn't want to take out everything I have in the drawer. Oh, mamma mia, it works like a charm. That sound you hear there is a metal bar that actually helps to lock the drawer in place. I don't really use it, but yeah, it's a bit noisy. I am so happy. I am so happy. I wasn't using this before, but that's what it's there for. Okay, it's good. It's good. There we go. You're good. You are good. So I will clean that up later. Let's go back and finish up with this one. Okay. So now we know that we are good. We are good. So we are going to get this baby back on but as I said, I'm going to try to see if I can take off a little of the front here. The top. Okay, turn it around. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, this should be wonderful. So now I just realized that they did not use any glue, but I'm thankful. Or did they? Looks like there's a little glue, but whatever. It didn't really hold. So I'm so sorry, the wind just closed the door. Let's just put this here. There we go. Rude, wind, rude. Behave yourself. Okay, so we are going to use my Gorilla Glue. That's my glue of choice. I don't have any affiliation with Gorilla, but it goes far and it does good for me. So anything that gives me the best bang for my buck, that's what I use. So I'm just gonna get the glue in and around the dovetails. Okay, come on. Get on out here. Yeah, there we go. In and around, in and around. It doesn't have to be a whole bunch. Put it along here. That's it. That is gonna do. Do. Close that. And this is the top. This is the bottom. And we are going to just put this baby on here. Okay, there, I got that in. Yeah, got it in, friends, got it in. Home stars. It's in. It's in. Didn't use my glove. Just gonna use it. Wipe across here. Yeah. That's it. Now, what I'm going to do is take it inside. So let's go inside and put this baby in. Okay. Now, we are going to stick this baby in, but I'm not going to push it all the way where the glue is. Check this out. It goes in so smoothly. No worries in the world. That is such a good thing. So I'm going to leave it here so that the glue can dry before I push it all the way in. And this one works like a charm too. I guess these one over here are sticking a bit too, but I'm not going to take them on today. I will take them on another time. Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope this sparked a little idea or gave you an idea of how you can handle drawers in your cupboards, your desk, your vanity when they are not cooperating with you. You take care now, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah!